Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Basic, Avatar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa. FMSR Corp, The Tire Project, Emol Freight, Easy Gone, Nico Sons Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings, Vienna, OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
Omart Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Omart Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Okay, tayo ha. You will receive the same hingaw bilang ito binibili.
Virgo, takin Virgo. Takin sa mukha mo. Naka-silent.
Rudy Santos. Ete. 1 second violation.
Malakas mo ka sa pa.
Rudy Santos. Lalim ako, ilalim. Andre Villegas.
Par. Nauli na bo.
Parang si Maila Aquino sa boss. Angas mo ka na.
Time out. Wala, wala.
Lars Eusebio.
Bibilin mo, ano bibilin mo? Ang bibilin mo, Ben?
Foul jersey number 13, San Javier. First personal foul, first team foul. Lasa.
First.
Foul jersey number 26, Sindarka.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Hushak. Kenneth Salvador. Ayan, isa pa.
Bawal yung sa atin. Dalawa. Nasa bawal yung sa atin. Okay yan. Rap, nagparis ka pa kagabi, Rap? Paris ka pa kagabi? Nag-loading, ano ba?
Ito ko pa niya. Lars Eusebio.
Deadball na ba? Deadball na. Okay na yung galaw nila nung wala ko.
Kenneth Salvador to win.
Time out ka lang ba? Time out.
Time out.
First, second.
Foul position number 27, Big Love on offside. Two shots, RJ Villegas. First personal foul, second team foul. Alam ko yung spike mo eh. Hey, Rubio! RJ Pachicha! Rob Plaza!
Uy, grabe na, si Kutso na.
Good.
Foul position number 27, Big Love on.
Second, third.
Second personal foul, third team foul.
Kandan mo na konti. Medyo
Two shots, that's Eusebio.
C-O-C-H-O-N.
Kutsol. N.
Tug. Pasok ka isang free throw. Ay, why? No good. Rebound by Bachicha.
Foul position number 19, J. Rubio.
First, fourth. First, fourth.
First personal foul, warning for penalty. Narca. End of the first quarter. Score 22-14 in favor of Team Lila.
Bro, patigilid ng konti. Makanan.
Buhayan si Belgo ah. Ben, nagbuhayan si Ben ah.
Di ba? Sobra.
Patingi ba?
Oo, natingin. Yan.
Jubilee Narca. Kenneth Salvador. Andre Batija 3.
Binati nyo kasi. Ezekiel, most assists so far.
Foul basket. From jersey number 19, Jair Rubio. Second personal fouls, first team foul. One shot, Jubilee Narca. Subdivision. Lesa.
Yan. Whoa. Easy. Sakit pa ba yan?
Eusebio.
One shot by Lance Eusebio. Shot for three. No good. Get it. Yeah. Get it again. Nakita foul kay Jubilee Narca.
Foul personal 26, Jubilee Narca.
Second first.
Second personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. Ball number 13, Samuel Javier.
Third second. Third second.
Third personal foul, second team foul. Ito na yung tatlo. Red Xavier. Foul person number 7, Red Xavier.
First second.
First personal foul, second team foul. Two shots, J. Rubio. Ezekiel, good job!
Cute. Nagdadala ng bola. Dos Santos. No good. Kagalungan. Pass to Eusebio. Eusebio. Nakita si Villegas for the shot. It's good.
Argel Villegas! Plaza to Riley!
Unang kalamangan at tikman ng Rosas. 30-29. What a move by Cochon. Nabota tayo niya yung pagkalungan. Rubio, pass to Salvador. Salvador to Villegas. Libre.
Argel Villegas!
Javier for the shot. No good. Rebound by Rubio. Rubio. Nasa kay Lance. Lance. No look pass to Villegas. No good. Rebound by Salvador. Para defensive sequence. Technical foul.
Technical foul on jersey number 3, Kenneth Salvador. Technical foul. Sportsmanship, like behavior. Magkatag sa'yo.
3 minutes. That's for
3 minutes. Red. 3 minutes.
sportsman like, di ba? A sportsman like behavior. Okay.
Okay po.
Rep, thank you, rep.
Second personal 30. Second personal 30.
Second personal foul, 13 points.
Virgo, kita-kita sa camera. Plaza for 3. No good. Rebound by Rubio. Rubio nagbababa ng bola. Rubio. Nahanap ng babasahan. Rubio. Ay, nakita foul kay Jiggy Santos.
Calling person number 16, David Santos.
Fire start.
First personal foul, third team foul.
I'm out.
Time out, Team Lula.
Thirty-two, 31. Laban Rosa. Para paso, Jamie Dogon. Guys, nagmamadali. Pass to Salvador.
Kenneth Salvador.
Anyway, Javier pulls up. No good. Rebound by same ball.
Same ball.
Plaza for the shot. May nakitang foul kay Eben Pagkanlungan.
Calling person number 7, Heaven Pagkanlungan. First personal foul, fourth team foul. Two shots from Plaza.
Ano gusto nyo? Grab tayo.
Calling person number 4, RG Villegas.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Pre, anong gusto nyo? Grab.
Penalty. Penalty. First personal foul. Two shots, Red Xavier.
One point.
Eda. At 30.
Nancy Xavier, 3. Hey, Rubio.
Spaghetti ako sa inyo. Spaghetti. Jollibee. Jollibee spaghetti.
3 seconds.
3 seconds violation. Substitution. Timeout.
Burger fries na lang sa akin.
Burger fries.
Orange fries.
Burger fries na yan lahat.
Pare-pare yung bake mo lang.
Kenneth Salvador. Ball in jersey number 16, JV Santos.
Second, fourth.
Second personal fouls, warning for penalty. Here's again, good job. RJ Villegas. In the preceding quarter. Ha? Ano? Ano yun?
Agad na lang sige.
Magalit ka na naman dyan eh.
Easy break. Easy break. Nakakalito mo lang ito. Magdalawa hawak ko. Ayaw na.
Ano ba?
Easy break lang.
Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang.
Bubak ako.
Ano, ano, para? Wala.
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Basic, Avatar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, The Tire Project, Emerald Freight, Easy Gone, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings, Vienna, OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
Mart Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Mart Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
By pump fakes. Goes in and looking right. Tyrene Soto with the hook shot. Well, Tyrene the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Tagaluan. 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 With a left player. Pass to Salvador. Salvador. Kumain. Way up. Take back. Back to that. Soto. Okay. Vergara for 3. Vergara 3. Forte pass to Jimenez. Intercepted by Tonggol. Tonggol pass to Vergara. Vergara for 3. Vergara. Javier. Tuto kami. 3 seconds to shoot.
Back!
JC!
Parang nagalit kami na. Hindi ka, away ka.
Kulang. 2 points na wala sa kanila. Sorry, Red.
37-42.
Yeah. Ball in person number 2, Ezekiel Buto. First personal foul, first team foul. Shoutout sa'yo, pasok na.
Bata. Wow! Nakita kay Jamie Santos.
Foul person number 16, Jerry Santos. Third personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots, Jay Rubio.
1 point is good.
Jerry Santos.
Nagpapalit-palitan lang.
Jay Rubio. Kenneth Salvador.
Sa kondisyon ng Leila. Rubio for 3, no good. May nakitang foul kay Kenneth for
Foul jersey number 3, Kenneth Salvador. Substitution. Third personal foul. First team foul.
outside. What a pass from Kenneth, no good. Gaganda ng pasa ng mga Lila. Pero wala pa rin yan. Libreng-libre, Singarca, no good. Rebound by Lila again. Eusebio. Pass to Ramos. To Villegas. Villegas with that turnaround. No good.
Foul jersey number 12, Ralph Ramos.
First personal, second team foul.
First.
Okay ba lang? Layo pa lang.
First, second.
Mamalulobot. May bago din ba ito ba?
Men, first, second.
Alam mo yun, no? Dalawa.
Foul jersey number 7, Red Xavier.
Second personal, third team foul.
Second personal foul, third team foul. Buches Martin Villegas.
Nang-tutrol ka pa eh.
Maganda lumingon. May ilingon ka pa kasi. Kompleto na natin yung ka. Hindi ko lang.
Hoy, last pass. Di ko maipindot yung highlights. Wow, Narga.
Foul jersey number 26, Jubilee Darko.
Third personal,
Third personal foul,
fourth team foul.
warning for penalty.
Ganda.
Lance. Lance. Go.
Isinok. Isinok.
Ganda.
Jubilee Darko. Sisipa, Red Xavier. Villegas. 7 against the ball. Penalty. Third personal fouls, penalty. Bullshits, Kenneth Salvador.
10. Control for the shot, no good. Plaza for the rebound and the shot is no good again. Narca, nakuha yan. Narca, pass to Conchon, libre. Tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by Kenneth. Kenneth, may nakitang foul. And number 2. 27. Sino foul? Taas kamay, sino foul? Ikaw. At papasok si Marlo Aquino. Kamari ba? Wala.
One shot.
Good. First shot is good.
Good.
Yes. Matingan mo sila mamaya, pre. Mga control. Baka malimutan. Bachicha is
Martin Bachicha.
madudungisan na kaya ang record ng Rosas? Abangan. With a shot, Lance Sebio. Niluwa. Bachicha for the rebound. Plaza nagbababa. Plaza naghahanap ng papasahan. Tinira.
Rob Plaza.
Plaza. De Rubio, pass to Lance Sebio. Lance looking for his teammates, pass to Villegas. Villegas, tumiran, nag-hesitate. Rosas ball. 10-point lead by Lila. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Narca, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Juan. Oh, no good pa rin yan. Rebound by Kenneth. Kenneth, pinasa kay Rubio. Rubio for the fast break is good.
J. Rubio.
Oh, no. Bachicha for 3.
Martin Bachicha, 3.
Single digit na lang ang kalamang ng Lila. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Kenneth, dinodoble. Kenneth, pass to Rubio. Rubio with the pass ay kay RJ.
RJ Villegas.
Oh, ang pass to Bachicha. Bachicha for the 3. No good. Rebound by Lance Sebio. Pinasa kay Kenneth for the fast break is good.
Kenneth Salvador.
Ang bilis ng Lila.
Time out. Rosas.
Time out by Team Rosas.
Direksyon naman dito.
Shout out to all our viewers supporters ni Okam sa ating chat box.
Battery level 90%.
Ba't may ads?
Mark. 3.
10-point lead by Lila. Pa rin yan. Launch to Kenneth. 25 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Kenneth pass to Sam Javier, no good. Napayungan ng Rosas yan. Pachicha to Plaza. Plaza for the fast break is good.
Wow, Plaza.
10 seconds remaining in the third. J.A. to Lance. Lance naghahanap na papasan. Kenneth hesitates. Kenneth drives. Walang nakita foul yan. Naghahanap na foul. That's the end of the third.
End of the third quarter.
Kaya tayo, Ben, kung maliit.
Mainam. Okay. Yung sports na.
Abit, ba't di ka naka-uniform, Abit? Ang ina mo. Ang kapal na mukha mo, Abit.
Gagalan.
Pre, walang uniform, pre.
Ay, naggalan.
James, walang uniform.
Sumabra na konti. Okay.
Kaya na namumuna na. Oy, ba't di ka naka-uniform? Ha? Di ka naka-uniform?
Wala ka naman kasabag eh.
Wala kang pito, boy. Ay ko po. Ganda!
Paalam mo muna sa mga tipe. Jay for the shot. Shot no good. Good with the power rebound. Good shot nagmamadali. Good shot pass to Plaza. May nakitang foul. Delikado yun, sir.
Foul jersey number 13, Samuel Javier.
Apat na yun, pre.
Fourth personal foul, warning for Broadway. First team foul. Two shots, Rob Plaza.
Wala, wala.
Symbol.
Sitting ball.
Gulat na gulat si Villegas. Symbol tayo.
Mga referee, hindi makareklamo.
Traveling.
Traveling violation and basketball moves.
What a defensive effort by Cute. Rubio. Stops and pops, no good. Narca, pass to Coach Sean. Nagmamadali. Coach Sean, wala. Oh, may pa yan. Karibal pa na ako sa Plaza, no good. Nagagawa si Salvador at si Plaza. Nakuha ni Narca, corner 3. No good. Narca pa din. Nakita ang foul yan.
Foul jersey number 13, Samuel Javier. Samuel Javier.
Five fouls for Samuel Javier.
Five. second foul. 2 shots, Julie Narca.
Baka na nagkatanong sa'yo yung player.
Wow! What a
Martin Bachicha.
Bachicha! Strong rebound.
Score 63-57 in Liga. That's Eusebio Turri.
Stop the bleeding.
Narca.
Wow, what a shot. Good. Villegas for the rebound.
Villegas.
Good shot for the layup. Ayan. Ramos. No good. Salvador. May nakitang foul. Kay Ewa Javier.
Foul person number 7, Gwen Xavier. The warning for graduate. 13 fouls. First team foul. 2 shots, Kenneth Salvador.
Dalawa sa lila, isa sa rosas. Dalawa sa lila, isa sa rosas. Dalawa ni Samir. Dalawa sa lila pa ka. Rosas yan eh, tinagyan mo eh.
Bachicha. 7-point lead by Lila. Unti-unting nakakatok sa pintuan ang Rosas.
Symbol.
7 minutes remaining in the fourth and final.
Ano sa pagkasa ni Virgo?
Nasa libre for the shot. It's good.
Rob Menasa. Time out, Team Liga.
Time out sa Team Lila.
Lima na lang.
Fouls. Foul.
Mga protocol ng bawat team ha. Kenneth Salvador. 3. Gwen Xavier sa Team Rosas, 4. Virgo ka 3, kahit 3.
What a pass, what a shot, no good. Rubio may nakita foul by Bachicha.
Foul ang person number 11, RJ Bachicha. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots, Team Rubio. Lance Eusebio.
Batista, Hail Marys is good.
Real Batista 20.
5-point lead by Lila. Nagiging close na naman ang ating ball game.
Lima na lang ang kalamangan ng lilang sa Team Rosas. 71-66.
Villegas with a power move na agawan ni Narca. Narca pass to Cochon. Cochon, dumidiscard na pinasahan si Narca. Nabitawan, hindi. Cochon pa rin yan. Cochon to Bachita. Pass to Plazo for the 3. No good. Bachita again.
Real Batista.
3-point lead by Lila. Wow! Offensive foul by RJ Villegas.
Offensive foul on jersey number 4, RJ Villegas. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Shout out kay Tarchadong Escabeche. Close game naman tayo. Bachita!
Real Batista 20.
Deadlock at 71.
Deadlock na tayo in 71.
Sumasakit na ang paa ng referee. Oti na naman. Wow!
Real Rubio 3.
To stop the bleeding. Bachita again. He check. So good. Rebound kay Plaza. Plaza to Cochon. Cochon, pass to Javier. Bitawan yan. Nakuha ni Kenneth. Salvador, pass to Eusebio. Eusebio lays up. No good. Kenneth again. May nakitang foul. Kay Ralph Plaza.
Rob Plaza. First personal foul. Third team foul. Two shots. Kenneth Salvador.
Ito na naman ang big breaks of the game. Salvador, second shot. No good pa yan. Cochon. Cochon, wala yung bola. Nakuha ni Narca. Bachita, lays up. Oh, good. Kanino bola?
In Rosas ball.
What a foul by RJ Villegas. Play.
Foul on jersey number 4, RJ Villegas. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Two shots for Rob Plaza.
Two shots. Rob Plaza.
Good. Second shot.
2-point lead by Lila. Pwede yan maglaro. Donggol!
Bisa mo na, bisa mo na.
Rubio with the flip. Oh! Sorry. Sorry, turned over for J. Rubio.
Dalawa lang. Ang kalangan.
Partner. Partner.
Mukhang nagdedelegado na naman.
Eway with the fake. Eway with the shot. Block by Villegas.
Sino nag-block sa liga?
Villegas. Foul. May nakitang foul yan.
Foul person number 2, Ezekiel Guchon. Second personal foul, warning, 4 penalty. personal foul for continuous complaining.
What a shot by Kenneth, no good. Siya pa rin ang nakakuha niyan. So,
Kenneth Salvador.
4-point lead by Lila. 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. So, nalibre. No good. Salvador, naghahanap ng teammates. Diskarte. Salvador with the screen with RJ. Pass to Ramos. Ramos, no good. Plaza, nagmamadali. Plaza with an open lane is no good pa rin yan. Narca, solo pass to Plaza. Plaza, pass to Bechicha. For the three, no good. Bechicha to Narca.
Julie Narca.
Back to 2-point lead by Lila. Wow! Narca, may nakitang
Foul in jersey number 12, Ralph Ramos. Second personal foul, a warning for penalty. Substitution.
timeout out, timeout.
Timeout, Team Rosas.
2 timeouts. Both teams.
Both teams, may dalawa pa kayong timeout. Both teams are warning for penalty.
Laro ka ba sila?
Dahil negative, parang negative yung dahil.
Pero yun nila kasi sa akin. May pag-asa eh.
Hindi mo na sila nakapag. Ay,
Yes, Adrian.
Dead Jack at 76. Ball game. Lance Eusebio, harassed by Kuchon. Eusebio Dinoble, may nakitang foul.
Foul in jersey number 2 is Daniel Bichon.
Penalty.
Penalty. Third personal foul. Penalty. Two shots. Lance Eusebio.
1-point lead by Lila. Two-point lead by Lila. Last 2 minutes kaya. Men, last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Narca for the shot. No good. Uy! Medyo may pisikalan sa ilalim. Kuchon.
Foul in jersey number 2 is Daniel Bichon. Warning for Radwick. Penalty.
penalty, penalty.
Apat.
Two shots. Lance Eusebio.
Sure ball na sure ball si Eusebio. For the last 2 minutes, 3 of 3 na siya sa free throw.
Apat.
Second shot is good. 4-point lead by Lila. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. up. Kenneth for the shot. No good. Rebound by Javier. Javier naghahanap ng takampe. Pass to Narca. Pass to Conchon. Conchon nagmamanilay sa kabila. Conchon is good.
Foul basket. Foul on jersey number 19.
1 point lead by Rosas.
Penalty. Third personal fouls. Penalty. What a shot. Ezequiel Conchon.
What a shot by Ezequiel Conchon.
Overtime is coming. One shot is good.
Time out. Team Lila.
Madudungisa na ba ang standings ng Rosas? O mananatili silang undefeated katulad ng Puti? What a turn of events. Sergio Rubio for the shot, so good. Villegas pass to Eusebio. Fakes Eusebio.
Nice, Eusebio.
What a shot by Lance. What a
Okay, sabi na lang about nyo ha.
Eusebio. Fakes Eusebio.
Nice, Eusebio.
83-82 lang mga nila. 1 point.
Maganda yung dito.
Kaya mga nari. Ating Rosas ba? Ating Lila.
Paglam ako sa free throw.
Lasa for the shot. Chicha penalty.
Penalty.
Foul on jersey number 11.
Basta sa court ka.
Mayor Bajicha. Second personal fouls penalty.
Basta sa court kami.
Two shots. J. Rubio.
Bakit tayo ba?
Asan ka na kuya? Sige, wait lang. Okay, pa-pick up. Pa-pick up, okay dyan eh.
Time out. Team Rosas.
Wala na.
Team Rosas, wala na kayong time out. Team Lila, may isa pa kayong time out. Ang time out ba? Di sa inyo, no?
Kaiju.
Di sa inyo, na? Kaiji.
Avatar sneakers sa para.
Avatar sneakers sa bar. At iba pa. H&M Sets no. Basic.
Mangnap.
And these skills.
Mangnap. 84-82 lang mga Lila. 34 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Kuchon. Pass to Bachicha. Bachicha.
Wow, versus
84. 1 point lead by Rosa.
Foul versus number 26, Jogo Ibarca. Volleyball graduate, Jogo Ibarca. Two shots, Lance Eusebio.
What a shot by Bachicha. Puta. Lance is not that at 85. nangyayari? Kuchon, nangangarap ng screen kay Eway. Kuchon, pass na ka. Outside yan.
Save ball.
11 seconds, 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
Machicha! Machicha with the ball!
Machicha.
87, 86, 7 seconds.
Walang ano eh, walang overtime daw.
Score 87 and 6. Lamang ng isang Team Rosas.
Walang overtime game.
Ang ganda ng game. Sayang mananaig. Malalapsit ba ng Team Rosas ang panalo nila? O hindi?
7 seconds remaining. One point lead by Rosa. 7 seconds remaining. Lance, nakuha ang bola. 5 seconds. Lance for the 3. No good! Iwan by Lance for the shot! One ten seconds.
Yan si Sebio!
Basket.
Hop, hop, hop. May oras pa, may oras pa. May oras pa.
And that's the end of the ball game, man.
Ganda, ganda.
Sobrang ganda. Oh, ako na. Oh, ganda. Spaghetti, tapos mas nandito yung sauce. Ah, itong maliit yung ano. Yata. Grabe yun! Ano ba sa akin, spaghetti? Hindi, ano, chicken yun. Chicken. Ball game!